what I would have given to be able to have the top bunk in this room. When I was a kid, there were like two things that I absolutely would have died for. And the first is right here. It's a secret door. And the second thing is behind the door. This is a bunk bed. This space is completely custom built. It took me 2 months to build, and oh, it's the best. You can store your clothes and get some work done. I don't know about you, I was one of the top bunks, so we're gonna go up these awesome stairs. Oh yeah, this is better. Top bunk rules. I even made some custom lights. There's so many videos of how I built this room from scratch. It's almost done. I need to put that plate up. What about you? Would you have died to have a space like this when you were a kid? I built this space so I could list it on Airbnb. And if it's been over a week since I posted this video, you can rent it using the link in my bio.